Hey guys, it's Running Kimono. Happy Sunday morning. I just thought we'd look through the inserts really quickly. Mr. Kimono went and got me a newspaper, and so this is what we have. One Smart Source, one Red Plum. Very nice of him to get me these inserts this morning. It makes me so happy. So the first one we're going to look at, guys, is the Smart Source. Let's look at the cover. Omaha Steaks. I ordered with them before, and yeah, it was okay. I wasn't really, the fillets were really tiny. The first little coupon that we have here in the Smart Source are some Easter candies. $2 off when you buy 3, and $1 off when you buy 3. They are not giving this stuff away. We have $1 off 3 boxes of GE cereal. We have some Poise. This is sticking. A new product. We have Sun-Maid sour, so I'm guessing it's sour tart. It's better than eating trolley gummies, that's for sure. We have some pasta coupons. We have this Fiji water. I remember a couple years ago, I think in 2014, with this coupon, it was totally free at Target. That was really crazy. We have some Seattle's Best. If you remember on Smart Source and Checkout 51, there have been some rebates with this. So if you're a coffee drinker, you might be able to line up a deal here. We have a $2 off certain Colgate toothpaste. My husband's making coffee in the background. We have a 50 center on most of them. It depends on the ounces too, guys, if you look at the coupon really quickly. That's 3 ounces and larger, and this is the 2.8. Another, some prunes. So I guess you can eat your prunes, get regular, and wear that hat. We have some Toffee-Fay. This is a very good coupon because it's $1 off 1 Toffee-Fay pack. They make a smaller one, which is this little guy, and the bigger one. I put a little breakdown on my Instagram, Photo Rachel, if you want to check it out. It would make each pack like 96 cents for 2, so very, very cheap at Walmart. So I might do this deal today. I have a friend who's a Toffee-Fay addict, so yeah, it's pretty good. It's like a little hazelnut treat. It's very nice. Some Harbor Freight. I thought that was Lindsey Vonn, but it's not. I just love Lindsey Vonn. And CoverGirl. They make the model look like Lindsey Vonn. We have some hair dye. Celestial Tea. Nice little coat there. More CoverGirl. These will be really great coupons to use at Walmart on clearance stuff too, or at Rite Aid this week. And we have more as seen on TV, and then this little taco seasoning. Cool. Okay, so let's look at Red Plum. It's usually a smaller one. On the cover, there's this newer product called Crud. We have some number 7 moisturizing stuff. Really nice. Found at Walgreens. A Preparation H. It's a good long expiry date till the end of April. And more advertisements. More advertisements. And, oh, what do we have back here? A $5 off 3 for Gain. It's got a quick expiry date, but still maybe possibly with clearance stuff at Walmart, or we can maybe pull a rabbit out of a hat with a deal for this guy who does not like cheap Gain. So that's it, guys. If you've enjoyed these sort of, looking through my insert videos, please like this video, and I will continue to make them. I'll see you in the next one.